All buildings were not designed and built in the same way that the modern ones. They behave differently and need a different approach for their analysis. We will outline here the assessment of the behavior of existing buildings and the causes of failure due to their main structural arrangement, cellular, frame structures, etc., and actions, deadlock, wind, earthquake. There are a series of main causes of structural failures in buildings. In ruins, it's due to unprotected from rain and surface erosion. There are also buildings that have failed from moisture at the foundation or ground level, from leaking roofs and gutters, and also buildings that have failed from earthquake and other differential loadings. The human factor, design errors, is also an important cause of deterioration, and a combination of failure systems is also frequent. Thereafter, we can distinguish between external natural factors for structural failures, such as earthquake and other natural disasters, flood, hurricane, and the human maintenance issues, from the abandonment to the ruination, damp, loss of structural integrity, connections, and ultimate collapse. Also, inadequate interventions are a cause of failure. Symptoms of structural failure are the building being out of plan, cracks, the patterns of these cracks. The normal failure is by loss of compressive strength. Common pathologies of structural damage are cracking, can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, X-shape, displacement, settlement of walls, lack of connections, and out of plane.